Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. So in today's video I'm going to go ahead and try to show you how I do my ombre using this ombre brush. This one is from AliExpress. I'll be sure to link it down below. And these are some of the gel polishes that I will be using. These two are for model ones. Let me get everything out the way that I don't need at the moment. So these two are for model ones. I actually do not know which. I don't think it actually says the color, but I'll be sure to leave you the link. So here are my swatch sticks, and here, in case I need to clean my brush, I'm gonna go ahead and add some of this alcohol in here. This is just a very good amount in there. We don't need a lot. And then I will of course be having my lint-free wipe right beside me. So let's go ahead and start by grabbing our colors here. We're gonna go ahead and make sure that I start right by the middle. Okay, once we have that, we're just gonna go ahead and grab our next color, which is the purple. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and start here. Like I said, I first hold it down and then I go ahead and drag it. We're gonna hold it there for a while and then drag it. And then I just go ahead and brush it downward. Slowly to get to the, pretty much to the other part, and pull that in. This is basically what we have. And now using my ombre brush, I go ahead and instead of going like this, I know a lot of people do this part, they go lightly like this. I personally do not like doing that. So instead I actually kind of mix the colors together by dragging it slowly down. And then again, here is my lint-free wipe, and I'm gonna wipe away that excess. I'm gonna go ahead and start by touching it gently, patting it there. And at this point, I'm not really removing any of the excess. I'm kind of using that as well. And so this is basically what we have. Now I'm gonna go ahead and let that set there just for about a minute or so. I'm not gonna cure it just yet. I'm just gonna go ahead and just let it chill. And then we're ready to cure. So far. And so we're gonna go ahead and grab more. I usually do 3 or 2 coats of this. I feel like it all just depends on the pigment you have with your gel polish. So I'm basically gonna add, I feel like I have way too much. And that is pretty much how I remove from having a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it right about here. Then we're gonna grab our next color, and this time I am gonna go ahead and just turn the nail kind of around. And I'm gonna start, oops, I grabbed a lot. I'm gonna start right about there. And I did go ahead and just dip my brush to some alcohol. And this is what it looks like. So next I'm gonna go ahead and just be patting it gently across. And so this is what we have. Now I'm going to go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds. So I went ahead and cured that already. This is what we basically have. Okay, so I'm going to start by adding some right about here. And I'm just doing a very thin layer at this point because I don't want it to be bulky or anything. So again, I'm going to apply some alcohol and clean off any of that excess gel polish we have there. And going across, I'm going to continue doing this. And then here, I'm basically going to go ahead and kind of mix the colors around together. Just going dragging it downward. So next, using this part, let's go ahead and go like this, very softly. So now I'm going to go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds. But before that, make sure we always let it sit for at least 30 seconds so it can just evenly spread. Now those lines can be removed. I basically let it sit for about, I believe it was 3 to 2 minutes. I think it's actually 2 minutes that I let it stand by so it can evenly spread. And then this is what we pretty much have. And so now I'm grabbing my Koopa top coat, I'm going to just top coat the whole nail. This is basically what we have. I feel like the ombre could have been better, definitely. I should have added another coat, but I think this does it. So this is how the ombre lastly looks. Like I said, I feel like I should have added one coat, definitely, because there was like some spots where I'm missing some. But it looks overall okay, and I feel like you guys gotta understand the concept of how to create this design. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully it was helpful for you guys all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.